Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my low-carb twist to a savory Chinese dish, my low-carb beef and broccoli recipe. We're going to use a sweet and spicy marinade to bring this Asian American classic to a new level of flavor. Let's get started. Most of the flavor in this dish is in the marinade. For that, add to a mixing bowl some soy sauce, sesame oil, about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, some cayenne pepper hot sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, about 2 tablespoons of my low-carb hoisin sauce. I'll have a link for that recipe in the description below. And we'll finish with a liquid sugar substitute equal to a 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Give a mix with a whisk and set aside. For our beef, we'll be using 16 ounces of top round. You'll want to look for the grain and cut perpendicular to it. Slice the beef in about 1/8 of an inch in width. Now I like to cut these in half as well to have more of an easier to eat bite-sized pieces. Place the beef in a Ziploc bag and pour the marinade over the beef. Mix and shake to ensure all of the meat is coated. Let rest in the refrigerator for at least an hour to overnight. Take about a 1/2 cup of dry roasted peanuts and place into a sealable plastic bag. With a kitchen hammer or rolling pin, gently crush the peanuts and set aside. After the beef has had a chance to marinate, remove from the bag and place on a paper towel, trying to leave as much of the marinade in the bag as possible. There's a lot of flavor in there that we'll be using for our dish. Pat the beef dry with a paper towel to remove the moisture. To a saucepot on medium-high heat, add the marinade we use for the beef and bring to a boil. As long as the marinade has stayed in the refrigerator and we bring it to a boil, it'll be safe to use in our dish. Add 1 cup of beef stock and 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum and mix to incorporate. Let the sauce come to a boil, then give another mix and remove from the heat. To a large skillet on medium-high heat, add some avocado oil and about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix the garlic into the oil and saute for about 30 seconds. Add 10 to 12 ounces of bite-sized broccoli florets and cook and stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see the broccoli has absorbed the oil and the garlic has been infused onto the broccoli. Remove the broccoli to a separate bowl and set aside. To the same skillet, still on medium-high heat, add some more oil and our marinated beef. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the beef is no longer pink. Add the dry roasted peanuts, be sure to reserve some for the garnish, and stir in. Pour our sauce over the beef and stir to mix in. Continue to cook on medium-high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce has reduced and thickened. Reduce the heat to medium and pour in our broccoli. Stir to mix and continue to cook until the broccoli is heated through. Serve hot, garnish with some crushed peanuts, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my beef and broccoli recipe, a savory low-carb twist to an Asian American classic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.